Hi, my name is Gabriel Mendez with the Lucadia Wastewater District. This morning we're out here conducting smoke testing, looking for sources where we can get rainwater or stormwater into our sewer collection system, and looking for possible cross connections from the home into the sewer line connections. The process of injecting the smoke into our sewer system is going to be they're going to set up a blower at one of our manholes, and they'll use a liquid that once it's met with forced air, it actually turns into the non-toxic smoke. Once the actual smoke is blowing into our sewer system, then we'll look for anything coming out of the ground, maybe broken clean-out caps, just anywhere where rainwater could get introduced. If we do find a cross connection, we'll send a letter to the homeowners just letting them know that we found an area where there's possible stormwater intrusion, and we'll just have them correct the problem.